Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you 3 ways on any Mac or MacBook Air or MacBook Pro to uninstall apps. Alright, in using Mac OS Big Sur. So of course, this is the latest version of the application. Alright, in case you want to uninstall any app, go ahead and go to Launcher. Launcher is right here. So go ahead and tap Launcher or Launchpad. Once you're in here, guys, you can move back and forth between these screens. Notice I have 2 screens. All right, I'm not going to uninstall anything, but the normal way to uninstall any app is to go ahead and with your touchpad or keypad down here, you're going to find an application. Let's say, for example, any of these, and on the keypad, you're just going to press on the application. So simply click on the application and hold, similar to the way you would on a iPhone. So I'm going to do that off screen. Just simply watch my cursor. So I'm going to click and hold. Click and hold. Notice you're getting the app trigger. To uninstall the application, simply go ahead and hit the X. Once you hit the X, the application will be uninstalled. You'll notice too that some of these do not have a X. That should not be an issue. Another way to uninstall an app would be to go ahead, and what you can do here, guys, is to go ahead and you're gonna hold, you're gonna drag. Hope you're seeing this. And you're going to drag the application over to the bin. You're going to hover it over the bin, and of course you're going to let go. Once you do let go on the bin, I don't want to do this right now, I'm just showing you. Once you let go on the bin over here, it's going to be sent, or the application is going to be sent to the bin. And of course next you can go to the bin, or from here you can use 2 fingers, tap the touchpad outside of the bin and hit empty. There's nothing in mine now, so it's not showing anything as to the contents, but of course you can always open up the bin, and then the empty option should be here highlighted. Go ahead and hit empty. All right, so that's 2 ways: the app jiggle, click on the X and then remove, or of course you're gonna drag and drop it or the app in the bin. The third way, guys, is to go ahead, and I like this method because you get more details. Sometimes if an app doesn't show up in launcher, as seen here, you notice all the apps. Sometimes some apps don't show up. I rather to use the in my personal opinion, I like to use Finder. So Finder is the first option over here. Go ahead and tap Finder. Once you're in Finder, guys, go down to applications. Once you're in applications, let me just maximize a bit. Once you're in Finder, you'll find every app here, even if they don't show up in launcher. So I rather that you use this one. It's more detailed. And what you're going to do is going to find the app, let's say VLC or any other app. What I'm going to do from here is I'm going to use 2 fingers. I'm going to tap the touchpad for secondary click, which is basically right click. So secondary click. And of course, you're going to have an option here that says move to bin. So all I got to do is move to bin. Once you move to bin, go ahead and I can exit this again. Sorry, forgive me. And let me just minimize. Once you do, what you can do from here now is simply go ahead and open your bin and hit the empty option. So that's 3 methods to uninstall apps. So in case one is not working, any one of them will eventually work if you try all 3. And always remember to empty the bin. And just a bonus tip for those who are new to Mac as well. Remember, if you get apps online, they're here also on the desktop. The shortcut to add the apps to the folder. Do not leave them as is. Make sure that you go back and you right click, and always use the option that says eject. Right, so when you eject, what you have done is you remove a section of the installer. If you leave these here, they'll keep piling up. Remember, you can also go into Finder. You can go into your downloads, not applications, downloads, and delete any installer files. They do add up after a while and use up space. So go ahead and eject all of these. Notice I have several. All right, and also if you have any apps that were not compatible that you added, they will be found on the Finder. You can remove them as shown. All right, as always, guys, Ricardo Gardner showing you a detailed way how to uninstall your applications on your Mac or MacBook Pro or MacBook Air. Ricardo Gardner, same. Bye until next time. Bye.